Hello, so today we're going to see how you can talk with a motorcyclist or a taxi driver when you want to go somewhere. So first of all, you start by greeting them. You might say mwaramutse neza when it's in the morning, mwaramutse neza. Or in the afternoon, you can say mwiriwe neza, mwiriwe neza. Or in the evening, you can say also mwiriwe neza. It's the same as the afternoon. It's all the same in Kinyarwanda. Say where you want to go in Kinyarwanda. I took an example of a place in Kinyarwanda. You say wanjanye I Remera. Wanjanye I Remera. And to ask for the price, you say ni angahe. Ni angahe. So there are Rwandan francs. And let's start from 100 Rwandan francs. It is ijana. Ijana. 200 is magana abiri. Magana abiri. 300 is magana atatu. Magana atatu. 400 is magana ane. Magana ane. 500 is magana atanu. Magana atanu. 600 is magana atandatu. Magana atandatu. 700 is magana arindwi. Magana arindwi. 800 is magana inani. Magana inani. 900 is magana cyenda. Magana cyenda. 1000 is igihumbi. Igihumbi. 1100 is igihumbi n'ijana. Igihumbi n'ijana. 1200 is igihumbi na magana abiri. Igihumbi na magana abiri. 1300 is igihumbi na magana atatu. Igihumbi na magana atatu. 1400 is igihumbi na magana ane. Igihumbi na magana ane. 1500 is igihumbi na magana atanu. Igihumbi na magana atanu. 1600 is igihumbi na magana atandatu. Igihumbi na magana atandatu. 1700 is igihumbi na magana arindwi. Igihumbi na magana arindwi. 1800 is igihumbi na magana inani. Igihumbi na magana inani. 1900 is igihumbi na magana cyenda. Igihumbi na magana cyenda. 2000 is bibiri. Bibiri. 2000 is, so you can say ibihumbi bibiri or simply bibiri. So it's all the same as 1000. You add the numbers, like if it is 100, you say ibihumbi bibiri n'ijana. So you continue in the same way. 3000 is ibihumbi bitatu. Ibihumbi bitatu. 4000 is ibihumbi bine. Ibihumbi bine. 5000 is ibihumbi bitanu. Ibihumbi bitanu. 6000 is ibihumbi bitandatu. Ibihumbi bitandatu. 7000 is ibihumbi birindwi. Ibihumbi birindwi. 8000 is ibihumbi umunani. Ibihumbi umunani. 9000 is ibihumbi icyenda. Ibihumbi icyenda. 10,000 is ibihumbi icumi. Ibihumbi icumi. So we will continue with other numbers in other videos to come. And when you reach where you're going, you can simply say murakoze, murakoze.